Right now, Earth Zoom style videos are blowing up on Instagram, and today I'll show you how to make one yourself super easily without using any editing apps. So stay with me and follow along carefully. First, connect a VPN on your phone. Connect to a US server. This step is important because the tool we'll use works best when you're connected from the US. Next, open your Chrome browser and search for Pixverse. Once you're on the site, tap the login button at the top and sign in using your Gmail account. Now tap on the templates section and wait a moment for it to load. If you don't see the Earth Zoom template right away, scroll up and tap on the Alpha Boss section. There it is, the Earth Zoom Challenge template. Tap on it. Now hit upload and choose a photo from your gallery that you want to apply the Earth Zoom effect to. It can be any photo, your face, a location, or something cool. Give it a minute. The tool will automatically generate a video with the Earth Zoom effect for you. Once done, tap on create and wait just a few seconds more. Your video is now fully ready. You can preview it and yes, it looks awesome. To download it, just tap the download button. If you see a watermark or payment option, don't worry. You can still save the video and crop the watermark later. And that's it. Your trending Earth Zoom Reels video is ready. No editing, just a few clicks and you're done.